Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Abdul, how are you?
Yes, child.
Let us see who is the child. By the way, what the word child mean?
Why don't you have life?
What you know, I mean, what the word child mean?
Why don't you have life?
No, what is the age of a child?
Listen, why don't you have life?
I have life. Who told you I don't?
Where is the life? I don't find it.
You don't find it?
No.
Do Muhammad have life? Do Muhammad have a life when he married a child? She is 6 years old.
Can you tell us who was the Baba who circumcised your God?
Who is the one who circumcised my God? That's a good question.
Who is that?
I challenge you not to change the topic. Are you willing to promise me you will not change the topic?
No. You know who that was?
No, you tell me. Do you know?
I ask you. You are the Christian.
I don't know. Do you know his name? But I know.
You don't wonder where this little meat is from your God?
Do you know that Allah? Okay, hold on. Have you ever heard of a God himself he circumcised?
Listen. What's the point that me and you talk alone? I want the audience so I can.
Yeah, the audience are listening. Hey, don't worry. They are listening. Is it true that your God Allah is the one who cut the penis of Muhammad?
Who?
Allah himself is the one who did circumcision to Muhammad.
No. Who was the one who circumcised your God?
I'm asking. I'm saying to you. I did not know. You tell me now.
Is it true that your God is circumcised?
Yes, it's true. And
you also circumcised?
but this is circumcised as a human being.
As a human being. Now
yes, which means he is a nature of a human being. This is why circumcision happened to everybody who is born of a Jew. But God, nobody can circumcise him. So now, is it true? Is it true that your God Allah he circumcised Muhammad? Same time, isn't it Allah who said that Allah he circumcised Jesus?
So you have a switch button. He can use.
Why you don't want to answer? Is it true that Allah he circumcised Jesus?
Do he have a switch button?
Did Allah circumcise Jesus? I'm asking you, what kind of Allah you have? He is the one who circumcised you. So you ask me, who is the one who circumcised my God? The Quran says it is Allah.
It is Allah?
Yes. Chapter 3, verse number 55. Read it.
Where?
Chapter 3, verse number 55.
Chapter 3.
Reclaim. And you can call a friend if you want. You are the one who opened the topic. I hope you will not change it now.
355. Okay. Read it for us, and where does it say that God circumcised him?
It says, إذ قال الله يا عيسى إني متوفيك ورافعك إلي ومطهرك. What the tahur? What is a tahur? Tell us. What the word mutahhir mean?
You are the teacher. Tell us.
Okay, mutahhir means circumcised.
Mutahhir.
Mutahhir means circumcised. Do you speak Arabic?
No, I don't speak Arabic.
Okay, it's not my fault if you are an ignorant like your God.
Okay, wait. When said Allah or Isa will take you and raise you to myself and purify you. Is this the word? And purify you?
Yeah, purify you. What is purification in Arabic? Mutahhiruka. What is the tahur? Is circumcision.
What tuharnihuka?
Mutahhiruka. He is going to do it to him. Allah will do it to Isa. What Allah will do? He will do tahur. What is how he can do tahur to him?
You know, I can show you that you are lying. You know how?
Show me.
Okay, go to your own book, Luke chapter 2, verse 23.
Okay,
go there.
Okay, you go there. No problem.
No, you show to your audience.
Okay, no problem. What about it? Okay, tell us. Luke 23. Okay, and? And?
What does it say?
You tell me what it says. Tell me. Go ahead. I want everybody to be witness. He is taking what Luke is saying against the Quran. So you don't believe the Quran, and you are saying to me I'm lying, which means by saying to you that Allah is the one who circumcised Isa, You said I'm lying, which means the Quran is lying. That's wonderful. Okay, read for us, Luke.
No, that is what you want to believe. That's what
no, I did not believe that. I said I don't believe Allah. He even I don't even believe that Allah can even get close to Isa or Jesus. Now you show me. You are the one who said to me, I want to prove to you that you are a liar. The Quran says, you see, the Muslim, they give a first translation. It says, I will clear thee. Clear thee, it doesn't say that. It says, mutahhiruka.
Luke chapter 2, verse 21. There is your answer.
Okay, what it says.
Read, then you can see how you are lying. You are going against your own book.
No, I'm not. I am not. I'm just making fun of you. You are the one who said to me, what kind of God he can be circumcised? I said to you, what kind of God he circumcised?
You are funny. You know you are against your own.
Why I am funny? You tell me.
It says when he was 8 days old, it was time to circumcise the child.
Okay.
So after the 8th day, your book is saying after the 8th day, he was circumcised.
And so
that means you are against your own book.
No, I am just showing you your ignorance. I'm saying I agreed from you with the beginning. I said yes, he was circumcised as by the flesh, born of a Jewish family. He do circumcision. They do circumcision for their children. As simple as that. Now I'm asking you, does the Quran says that Allah is the one who does circumcision to Isa? Yes or no?
No.
So the Quran is lying. Okay, question. In front of everybody, in front of everybody, I will give you 10,000 years to show me when did your Prophet Muhammad circumcise?
Yes, he was circumcised.
Can you show me the reference?
I don't have to show you the reference.
Why you don't mean you don't have to show me? I don't have to show me. I don't have to talk to you.
Why?
Because you know you are a coward. What do you mean you don't have to show me? Why you don't show me?
You already know. I don't have
No, I do not know. No, I do not know. Muhammad never been circumcised by anyone. Muhammad is a hypocrite. Show me where he been circumcised. As long as circumcision is a must in Islam, why your prophet was not circumcised? What?
You know that he was circumcised.
Okay, show me. I know, guys. I know. No, I do not know. He never happened. I say myself. I say in front of everybody. As I know, Muhammad never gets circumcised. Show me. Go ahead. Silence me. Show me.
I don't have to show you.
No, then shut up. Don't call me again. Either you show me. You are the one who opened the topic. We have to finish it. Jesus, as a person born of a Jewish family, he got circumcision when he's a child, and you show me the reference. Okay, no problem. I'm asking you, can you show me equal reference about Muhammad being circumcised? I showed you that Allah he circumcised Jesus according to the Quran. Now I want you to show me where in the hadith, where in the stories of Muhammad being circumcised. Otherwise, Muhammad is a najis. Because circumcision is a must in Islam. Why? Because this is tahara.
He followed the prophets. Because the prophet did it, he have done it.
Okay, no problem. What is the prophet did it? Show me.
He followed the teaching of Abraham.
Where is the prophet? He did it. Show me.
You can read that.
Where? Show me. Don't tell me we can read. Tell me where. Stop playing games. Where we can find that this has happened.
Listen, you can read that the prophet.
I can read where. Stop repeating yourself. You know, everybody is laughing at you. You are like the chromosome now, Mr. Chromosome. Where we can find that your prophet did circumcision. Your prophet, he claimed that he is following the steps of the Jews. He do circumcision. So Jesus is born of a Jewish family, and you are the one who mentioned to us and quote the verses from the Bible. Thank you very much. Can you show me where your prophet did the same exactly as Isa? If Isa was a Muslim, Muhammad was a Muslim, why Isa do circumcision, Muhammad he don't?
Who say he don't?
John, show me then.
Do I have to search for the hadith?
Yes, you have to. Why not?
Why? You are a pro to find hadith. You can.
No, because I could not find it. Here we go. I give up. You tell me. You are the Muslim. I'm not a Abdul.
This is your lifestyle. You only find hadith.
My friend, no, I cannot find this hadith. There's no such a thing. I never heard of it. Show me, prove me wrong. I want to see your prophet at the age of 40, somebody holding his penis and cutting it off. Show me the hadith.
Yeah, I can show you.
Okay.
Okay, but you have to understand one thing, okay? One thing you have to understand.
All right.
That everything the Prophet Abraham did and everything what Angel Jibril said was an inspiration, and he followed everything that Prophet Ibrahim did.
No problem. Let us finish first. Let us finish first. Who is the man who cut the penis of Muhammad at the age of 40 or after that? Let's see who is that. Give me the reference.
I will show you.
Adam, I'm not going to hold you for 10 hours. I will give you 10,000 years to show me the reference. Is that fine?
Okay, wait.
I'm going to wait for you next 10,000 years.
Okay, let me call you back. Let me find that I call you back.
Okay, but if you are going, if you will call me back only when you find this, that's mean will you want to call me back?
I will call you back. I will not let you go.
No, I'm asking you, are you going to find me where you will call me back to show me that Muhammad?
I will give you the hadith where it says he was circumcised. Okay, you can talk with some other meanwhile.
You promise me you swear by the fig before you go you will call me back to show it.
I swear by Allah, who is your God and Jesus.
Why you don't swear by the fig? Okay, he was searching in Google trying to find. Okay, you talk about circumcision, let us talk about circumcision. All right, let us see what happened. Who is a Muslim wanna call us? Let us see. We have Abdul. He called us. Let's see this Abdul. Maybe he can do better. Who is Abdul? He think he knew better. I say Islam is very funny and very silly. Muslims, they have big mouth, but they cannot even hold their mouth for what they said a second ago. All of us, we knew that the Christians believed God, he became a man, he born in the flesh of a human being, and he is born of a Jewish family, and the tradition is to circumcise the children in certain age. So now we have another problem. Who is the one who did circumcise Muhammad? Either you prove to me that he did that, or otherwise you Muslims are liars. You claim that he is following tradition of Abraham. The guy, he just said to me, Muhammad, he followed tradition of Abraham, so obviously he did. Okay, if you are claiming that this is Abraham tradition, then show me where Muhammad did it. Otherwise, Muhammad is a false man. I will give you 10,000 years to give me the reference. 12,000 years. I will ask you, actually, I advise you to call all the chromosome to help you. Now, do we have any Muslim? Allah know nothing. He understand nothing. He hold no information, nothing legitimate, stupid teaching. Quran full of errors and mistakes, scientific errors, historic errors, Arabic error, grammatical error. I mean, your God Allah is not even a Afghani boy who learn Arabic. An Afghani boy who learn Arabic is better than Allah.